This is Eric with Corvias Maintenance. Today we're going to talk about some things that we give out in our self-help store. If you're in a home that does not have one of these chain latches, you can request one from your neighborhood center and we give these away for free. It's 4 screws here and 2 screws here. It's very simple to install. However, if you have, as in this case, a door with the metal exterior, you will need either a drill bit to make the holes, or you'll need self-tapping screws, which we can also provide. Or you can call a work order in for us to install it for you. And again, speaking of things that we give away for free, our door stops, because these get trampled, sometimes pets chew on the ends. These are given away for free also. It's as simple as unscrewing the old one and screwing in the new one. And this is very important in keeping the doorknob from making an impression in your wall. However, if that does happen accidentally, we also give away these discs that are self-adhesive. When you press them up against it for about 5 seconds, they will hold forever, it seems. So if there's any questions you may have about what we have in our self-help store, please give your neighborhood center a call. This is Eric with Corvias Maintenance saying see y'all next time.